that shape our dietary choices? And how can we prevent AI from deepening food inequalities and contributing to environmental damage? It's essential to recognize that while AI can generate personalized recipes and optimize processes, it can also inadvertently create a wider chasm between those with access to such technology and those without. This could potentially lead to a further skewing of food distribution and access. Moreover, the environmental impact of AI-driven food production cannot be overlooked. As we enthusiastically embrace these innovations, we must also ensure they don't exacerbate ecological harm. For instance, energy-intensive processes and e-waste generated by obsolete technology can pose significant environmental challenges. Public engagement and transparent data practices are crucial to ensure that these technologies serve the common good, promote cultural diversity, and nourish both bodies and spirits. Navigating this culinary labyrinth requires a collaborative approach. The potential of AI in the kitchen isn't just about algorithms and data sets. It's about people, chefs and nutritionists, data scientists, food policy experts, and you. It's about all of us working together to define what responsible AI-driven food systems look like. Think about it. Chefs and nutritionists can provide the essential knowledge about flavors, techniques, and nutritional needs. Data scientists can contribute their expertise in machine learning and algorithms. Food policy experts can guide us in creating systems that are equitable and sustainable. And we, the public, can share our diverse tastes and cultural experiences, shaping the way AI understands and suggests food. This isn't just about making cooking easier or more efficient. It's about expanding our culinary horizons, personalizing our food choices, and tackling global food challenges. By utilizing AI as a tool for data analysis, innovation, and resource optimization, we can design personalized feasts that tantalize our taste buds, nourish our bodies, and bring people together around the table, ensuring a future where food is both a celebration of human culture and a sustainable driver of global well-being.